Guys, welcome to Faisal Television. Today I'm going to show you how to repair Samsung washing machine PCB board start button problem. This is start button. So let's do it now. How to repair. I jumper from here, jumper 12. I take one wire and put on the start button, so I have to cut from downside. Let's do it now. Hello guys, so I already repaired this Samsung PCB board. Repair start button problem. I take one jumper 12, from jumper 12 to start button. So let's try now. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and share and comment. For any information kindly contact me.